Good day. Today, I will show you how you can utilize the PatientXpress iOS app. After you download the app, you will be asked to enter your office email address. After that, the PatientXpress app will then ask you to verify through OTP. And then from here you can now go ahead and log in using your Open Dental or Practice Web credentials. Once logged in, you will now have the same functions as you have in the PatientXpress portal. Marked above is the operatories for your Open Dental. Down here are your appointments. Here are your appointment views. Right here are your text messages from your patients. Right here are your call logs for your clinic. This is where you can search for patients in your clinic. By clicking this magnifying glass, it will trigger to search for patient and book an appointment for the patient. From this page, you can now go ahead and see the preview of the patient's appointment. You can also click on Manage Recordings for you to use the PX AI transcriber. You can now review the conversation you have recorded with the patient, and you can also have it saved to the patient's comm log. And that is it. That is how our PatientXpress app works. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.